Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 89 right here. We are really closing in towards the end, and it looks like we're gonna finally get started on the center foot. But why don't we crack this open and see what we got. All right, and here are the parts that we have with this issue. We have the center foot mounting plate, the center foot left side, and well, all of these are labeled either leg detail or foot detail. To begin, we're going to assemble the lubricator ends, and you'll need these 6 pieces to do it. It's fairly simple. I think we've done this before. We take the larger one here, we take the ring and slide that over top, and then we'll take the cap, and you'll notice these tabs coming out, and there are 2 slots in there that those tabs will slide into, just like that. And 1 6mm black screw right down the middle, and then we'll repeat the process for the second one. Look at that, 2 pieces of detail ready to go. Alright, now we're going to take the center here, and you can see it's got the half moon and a slot on top. If you take a look at this, there is actually a rail there that will slide into this slot, and this will be towards the open end, and we will do the same on the other side, just like that. So it looks like this with these 2 tabs and the screw bases facing the same direction. And now we will take the left side of the foot. I'm going to slide it in so these tabs go into these slots here, and the screw bases go there. And 2 more 6mm screws to hold it in place. And there we go. That actually finishes stage 89. And there you go, another short issue, but we got the left half of R2's center foot completed here. I can't wait to see what's next. And we did get some extra parts this time around. We got these 2 pieces of foot detail and this mounting plate here, but I'm sure we'll be assembling it shortly. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.